Have you ever thought of using two apps open at the same time on your screen? So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily do a multitasking or have your screen open in split screen on your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus or S10e. And with this open, you can easily operate or use two apps at the same time, and this helps you to avoid going back and forth, cross-checking on your other apps or on the app that you want to use at the same time. Alright, having said all that, let's jump straight into it and show you how you can easily enable this. So this is pretty easy. So what you need to do, make sure you have save the apps that you want to open at the same time. So make sure they are open, as you can see, and once they are open, go ahead and tap on your split on your recents button right here. I will see all the apps that you have open. So I'll go ahead and tap on the icon of that first app that I want to open. So I'll go ahead and tap on the app icon, as you can see. So that's the app icon on top of each app. So go ahead and tap on that app icon, then tap on open in split screen view, and once you tap on that, so you'll have that app at the top right there, and then you'll be required to choose another app that you want to open at the same time. So I'll choose this one right here, and as you can see, my screen is already in split screen view, and as a result I can easily multitask, as you can see. And so let me say I'm researching about this topic right here, so I can go ahead and cross-check whatever I'm trying to read or cross-check for, and once I'm done, I can easily take my notes, as you can see right here. Then the other thing, if you want maybe to switch between these two apps, go ahead and tap on that line in the middle, and then go ahead and switch those two apps. And then the other thing, you can even adjust the screen. Let me say you want more screen for taking your notes, you can adjust like that, or you can adjust that way, and you'll be good to go. Alright, then the other thing, let me say you want to switch up apps. Maybe you want to have maybe a music app after you've taken the notes, so you can go ahead and tap on the back button, as you can see, and the bottom app will be exited. Then you can go ahead and choose the other app. Maybe you want to listen to music, maybe SoundCloud. I'll tap on that, and as you can see, my music app is open right here, and I can decide to play my music. You can go ahead and open the music app. So as you can see, you can do your little research that you want to do right here, and at the same time play music. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and you were able to have access to the split screen view or do what we call multitasking on your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus or S10e, so go ahead and like this video, share, and if you're new to YouTube channel, go ahead and tap that little notification bell so that you're notified whenever we release new content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.